Hey. In science, a composite material is one that's made up of sub-materials, the earliest being bricks, which were made of mud and straw, and they're separable. Composite functions in maths work pretty much the same way. Composite functions are defined like this. To sketch them is easier than it looks. All you need to do is take each of these functions and sketch them. So x squared is a parabola on 0, 0. The negative of x is a straight line that goes through 0, 0, negative gradient. And y equals 5 is a straight line looking something like this. All you then need to do, and I deliberately did that in pencil, is then go, okay, when x is between 0 and 2, I'm looking at the x squared function. When x is greater than or equal to 2, I'm looking at the y equals 5 function. And when x is less than 0, I'm looking at the negative x function. Now these two join up here. I would colour in a full coloured circle on that one from the curve part of the line because it was an or equal to here. But with a not or equal to at the 2 end, I make that one open. But actually at the 5, that's or equal to 2, so that one's actually coloured in. Now as you can see, we can separate it because at various times, depending on what the x value is, depends on which function we're looking at. If we can sketch the function, sometimes it's easier to do that first, and then you might answer questions like what's f of 3 minus f of 5 plus 4 lots of f of negative 1. And then all you need to do is the function value at 3, well, that's going to be part of the 5 function. The function value at 5 is also part of the 5 function. Function value at neg 1 is part of the straight line. The value of that is 1. Pause the video and give this one a go. 2 minus x squared, you should use a pencil, just told you that, starts at 2 and is a frowning parabola, no horizontal shift, pretty much straightforward. X squared minus 2 is a smiling parabola, come down 2. Since they're pretty much the same defined function, you'll see that they have the same x-intercepts. Now when x is less than or equal to 0, I've got the 2 minus x squared function, which was this one. So for all of these x values, I follow along this path and I colour that one in. And then x squared minus 2 is for when x is greater than 0, so that one's open starting there and carrying all the way through.